darling, welcome back. It's Lady Draws a Lot here, and I'm an illustrator, a comic book artist, and I'm here with ArtSnacks for the month of April. This past weekend, I was at a convention that I had to travel for the weekend for, and it was a wonderful long trip, and in this trip, I got something that I've always wanted, nay, needed. Multipass!
Lilu Dallas Multipass.
I got a multipass. Finally! So, folks, with this multipass today, I find it necessary to take whatever supplies have come in this ArtSnacks box and make it Fifth Element themed. Yes, darling. So, without further ado, let's open it up, see what's inside, and boom, bada boom, big bada boom.
No.
Let's get creative.
And it must pop, pop, pop!
All right, so here is what we have in the April ArtSnacks box. We have three Sennelier, I think it's Sennelier, but you know, somebody correct me if I'm wrong. These are the oil pastels, and they are three different colors here, the blue, orange, and green. These are said to be extremely high pigment, has excellent coverage, brightness, and light fastness. So that is nice. Then we have two blending stumps, which will be good for blending the finer details of the oil pastels. It says you can also use your fingers for blending the oil pastels. I'll be honest here, I am not too familiar with oil pastels, so I am excited to try these out, try a different medium. All right, and then we have the Plumchester paint marker. Now, this is one we've seen before in these boxes, so we kind of know what to expect here. This is a yellow paint marker, which is a permanent marker. And this tip has a dual end, so you get your bullet tip on one and then a chisel tip on the other. You can switch between the two when you're working if you'd like to do so. So I'm going to keep it on the bullet end because I more often use the bullet ends than the chisel, so I probably won't switch it up, but that's an option. Oh boy, let me think about what I'm making here. I don't know. All right. Let me get my space set up, let me get some paper, and then let's get to work. So this is where I landed with my drawing with the supplies. This is the Diva. I will set her aside a minute as we talk about these supplies. So let's start with the oil pastels. These are very highly pigmented, as they claim to be, very soft to use. I am not a big connoisseur of oil pastels, so I haven't used many to be able to compare these as if they were good or bad or better than any other brand that I may have used in the past. I did enjoy using a new to me medium. I think I will have fun experimenting with them. They seem to work as described, so I think they're good. The retail value on these is $5.55. Not bad for an oil paint product. So yeah, if you're looking for oil pastels, these may be ones you may want to check out. And then we'll talk about the blending stumps here. Pretty standard blending stumps. Not much else to say. It worked well for its purpose. Very nice. Retails at $3.69. Worth the purchase if you're dealing with paints that require some blending, I would say. And then we have the Plumchester paint marker. This is a very nice paint marker. Works very well. The color lays down great. No problems there. Retails at $8.99. If you're looking for a paint marker, this one does perform very well. So I believe it to be a reliable paint pen. So if you're looking for one, definitely one to check out. So in this piece, you'll see I did do something here that I don't normally, which is pull in another product that wasn't in the box.
I am very disappointed.
And that was this brush pen here. Because I just had such a problem getting these finer details in that I wanted. And I just couldn't get that punch of color that I needed for these details. This was really challenging. I really like drawing people, and maybe if I'd gotten a closer image of the Diva, I wouldn't have had this issue, I think. But, you know, I tried. This was my first attempt. This was Zorg. You know, I hit the abort button halfway through because I just was not happy with how it was coming out. And then I tried, you know, the Diva, and it came out fine, but it really needed this addition. I don't like to go outside of the boxes, but for this, I felt the need. What can I say? All right, so that's it for this month's sketch. That's it for this month's Art Snacks. I thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.